Say peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Good girl. Say baby. Diane. Good. You love your balloon? Give it a hug. Aww. Diane. Say hi, Jakey. You want Jake to take the balloon? Okay. No, she changed her mind. Diane. Are you jumping? Where's your belly button? Where's your... Good girl. Where's your toes? Where's your toes? Diane, where's your toes? Diane. Where's your toes? Oh, good girl. Very good. Yes, that's hard to reach, isn't it? Okay. Where's your hair? Good. Where's your eyes? Eyes. Good girl. Good. Where's your ears? Where's Diane's ears? Oh, you want to do Jake's ears? Okay, where's Jake's ears? Very good. Where's his nose? Honk, honk. Where's his nose? Honk, honk. 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 Oh, your other ear? Turn your head. She wants to see your other ear. Right. Very good. Where's your teeth? Right. In your mouth. That's your tongue. And where's your belly button? Diane, can you say baby?
Baby.
Good.